Good day, everyone. Today I will be discussing a topic that is very important not only in our lives but also in our role as a student, citizen, and member of a larger community. Our topic is compassion, what is it means, how it is expressed in caring for the environment and for other people, and the role of communal discernment in making PU and the world a more compassionate place. In my own words, compassion is more than simply feeling sorry for someone or something. Compassion is the ability to recognize the suffering, needs, or struggles of others and to respond with kindness, understanding, and action. It is not only an emotion but also a decision to care. Compassion moves us beyond sympathy because it pushes us to do something helpful even in small ways. For example, if we see a classmate who is struggling with schoolworks, compassion is not just saying, I feel bad for you. It can mean offering help, listening to their concern, encouraging them, or simply being present for them. Compassion becomes meaningful when it is expressed through action. And compassion also begins with awareness. We need to notice what is happening around us. The people who may need support, the communities facing difficulties, and even in the environment that is suffering because of human actions. Without awareness, compassion cannot fully grow. But once become but once we become aware, compassion invites us to respond with responsibility and care. Compassion is also connected with respect. When we are compassionate, we respect the dignity of every person, regardless of their background, beliefs, or situation. We understand that every individual has value and deserves to be treated with kindness. In the same way, compassion teaches us to respect nature because the environment is not just a resource for our use. It is our shared home and its well-being affect everyone. Now, let's talk about compassion is expressed in the care of the environment. Environmental compassion means recognizing that our actions have consequences on the earth and on the future generation. When we throw garbage carelessly, waste water, or ignore pollution, we are not showing compassion because this action can harm other people, animals, and ecosystem. On the other hand, compassion for the environment is shown through responsible choices. We can practice proper waste disposal, reduce the use of plastic, conserve water and electricity, participate in cleanup drives, plant trees, and support sustainable practices. This may seem like a small action, but they become powerful when many people do them consistently. For a student in PU, environmental compassion can be expressed by keeping the campus clean, avoiding littering, using resources wisely, and joining program that is promote environmental awareness. By doing these things, we show that we care not only about our own convenience, but also about the well-being of our classmates, future students, and the wider community. So, next is compassion for the environment is also connected to justice. Environmental problems often affect the poor and vulnerable the most. Flooding, pollution, lack of clean water, and climate change can make life harder for communities that is already face many challenges. Therefore, Caring for the environment is also a way of caring for people. It is an act of compassion because it protects life, health, and the future. Aside from caring for the environment, compassion is also expressed in how we treat others. In our daily lives, we encounter people with different experiences, personalities, and struggles. Some may be dealing with stress, family problems, financial difficulties, health concerns, or emotional pain. Compassion reminds us to be patient, understanding, and supportive. In school settings, compassion can be shown by respect classmates, helping those who are struggling, avoiding bullying or discrimination, and creating a welcome atmosphere for everyone. It can also be expressed by listening carefully when someone shares their feelings, offering encouragement, and being willing to help without expecting anything in return. As future professionals, especially in fields like healthcare, compassion is even more important. Patients and clients need not only technical skills but also empathy, respect, and genuine care. A compassionate professional seems the person behind the problem and understand that healing often involves emotional and human connection. Compassion also extends to our families, friends, neighbors, and even strangers. A simple act of kindness, such as sharing food, helping someone carry a heavy load, or offering words of encouragement, can make a big difference in someone's life. These small acts create a culture of care and remind us that compassion does not always require grand gesture. Now, let us discuss the role of communal discernment. So, communal discernment means making decision together through reflection, dialogue, listening, and consideration of what is the best for the community. It is not just about voting or following the majority, so it is about seeking wisdom collectively and asking what action will promote the common good. So, communal discernment is important because compassion is not only a personal value. It should also guide the decision of groups, institutions, and societies. In PU, communal discernment can help students, faculty, administration, and staff work together to create facilities and programs that are fair, inclusive, and beneficial for everyone. For example, when PU plans activities related to student welfare, environmental protection, or community outreach, communal discernments allow different voices to be heard. Students may share their concerns, teachers may provide guidance, administrators may consider resources, and the whole community can reflect on the most compassionate course of action. So, communal discernment also teaches us humility. It reminds us that we do not have all the answers by ourselves. By listening to others, we gain new perspective and become more open minded. This process helps prevent selfish decision and encourage choices that consider the needs of many people, especially those who may overlook or marginalize. And making PU a more compassionate place, communal discernment can lead to practical action. The university can strengthen programs for mental health support, environmental sustainability, outreach activities, and exclusive education. Students can participate actively by sharing ideas, con- vol- volunteering, and supporting initiatives that promote kindness and responsibility. A passionate PU community is one where people feel safe, respected, and valued. It is a place where students help one another, teachers guide with understanding, and leaders make decisions with concerns for the welfare of all, such as community, does not happen automatically. It is built through continuous reflection, cooperation, and shared commitment to compassion.